Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's begin with opening the app info, which is connected with the app which is causing you some problems. So let's pretend that in my case it is Google Chrome. So tap on it and hold it, and then go to more features and tap on app info. So first of all, I highly recommend to simply go to the storage usage, which is right here, and tap on clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So by removing them, you can fix the app. Moreover, I highly recommend to tap on force stop, because sometimes if your app is running in the background, then probably you cannot really open it again, and that's why it is crashing. So just tap on force stop, and now you can try to open it. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates. So go to the Play Store. You can either enter this circle in the right upper corner and go to Manage Apps and Device and tap on Updates Available in order to check whether you've got it here, or you can simply tap on Search and here enter the name of the app which you'd like to download. So for example, Chrome in my case. If the update is available, your device will show you immediately. Instead of Open, you will see Update. So I highly recommend to tap on Update there. And your device will, of course, download a new version and overwrite it over the older one. If that didn't work, I highly recommend coming back to this section here, tap on Uninstall, and let your device uninstall the app and then install it again. Why? It is because that your device will directly download and install the newer version, because this overwriting thing, which happened in the updating option, might sometimes cause some problems with this overwriting thing. So uninstalling it and installing it again with newer version might help. And if we are talking about the updates, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because sometimes older system versions might have problems with newer apps, which are optimized for new systems. So let's go to the settings here, then scroll all the way down and go to System and Update, and here tap on Software Update. And your device will check for the updates. If you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.